In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force, to set up a new field in Salesforce. This process is essential for customizing your Salesforce environment to better suit your organization's needs. So let's get started and walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Salesforce homepage. You can do this by entering the URL Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force, in the address bar, and you'll be taken to the main dashboard. It's important to ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes within Salesforce, so double-check that before proceeding. Once you're on the home page, look for the small gear icon, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu where you can access various customization options. Click on this gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Salesforce setup. Now that you're in the Setup section, your next move is to locate and click on Object Manager. This option helps you manage various objects within Salesforce. After clicking on Object Manager, you'll see a list of objects available for customization. Scroll through and choose the object you want to work with. For example, if you need to alter account settings, click on the Account option. In the Account settings, navigate to the Fields and Relationships tab. This section allows you to manage the different data fields associated with your chosen object. Click on it, and you'll see a list of existing fields scrollable in alphabetical order. If you need a new field, simply click on the New button on the right-hand side. Once you click on New, you will need to choose the data type for the field you're creating. Select Formula from the available options as it allows you to create custom data combinations and calculations. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. In the subsequent screen, input your field label. This is essentially the name of the field and should be descriptive enough for users to understand its purpose. After naming your field, if there's a text box or other optional details, check and fill those as necessary. Move ahead by clicking Next. Now is the time to input the formula text that will define how your data is displayed or calculated. Once that's in place, click on Check Syntax to ensure the formula is correctly configured without errors. Happy with how it looks? Hit Next on the pages that follow and finally select Save. Congratulations, you've now completed the setup of a new field. This field should now be accessible and ready for use, helping you tailor Salesforce exactly to your needs.